So, today is my second day of finding out I have breast cancer. Um, so, working ako ulit ngayon. It's April 30, 2024, nighttime. Kanina, update ko lang kayo sa progress. Kanina, we went to, actually, first thing in the morning, pumunta muna ako sa mental hospital to update my meds for my bipolar disorder, para manage yung anxiety and depression ko, especially nowadays na may pinagdadaanan tayo. So, after nun, pumunta na ako sa doctor ko, sa FEU, sa surgeon ko, para ma-interpret niya yung report, yung biopsy report na in-email sa akin ng FEU. So, according to him, my case is stage 2B, invasive ductal carcinoma. So, sinuggest niya na as soon as possible, mag-undergo ako ng mastectomy. And yung partner ko naisip na bakit hindi dalawa na yung ipamastectomy ko. Kasi according na rin kay Doc, may chance din na even matanggal tong left breast, may chance na lumipat sa kabila in the future. So, parang to lessen the risk, my partner advised me na tanggalin na pareho to lessen the risk. So, since hindi naman covered ng HMO yung magiging surgery ko, by the way, I'm scheduled to undergo the mastectomy this coming Friday, May 3, 2024. And hindi naman siya covered ng HMO since it falls under dreaded disease. And na rin maxed out na din yung HMO ko since ang dami kong in-undergo na tests, procedures, prior to finally confirming that it's cancer. So, wala tayong pangcash eh. Kinausap ko yung surgeon ko. I was honest, told him that wala akong means to pay, especially sa FEU, which is a private hospital, para dun sa surgery ko. So, si Doc Pecho, shout out, he's the director of FEU in Fairview. Maswerte ako dahil siya yung naging surgeon ko. He offered me to be admitted pa rin, but under their surgery mission, as a service patient. So, kanina, wala akong ginawa kasama yung partner ko, kundi mag-asikaso ng papers para at least kung hindi man malibre ng buo, very minimal na lang daw yung babayaran ko sa hospital. Most of the, a big fraction of the total bill will be shouldered by their sponsors. So, ayun, may interview kanina sa social service, may mga documents sila na hiningi. Punta kami sa barangay kasi kailangan ng indigency certificate. So, yun lang naman. Medyo naubos yung oras namin ng partner ko. Buong araw kami nag-asikaso. Kaya, ang lola nyo, mga 2 hours lang nakatulog bago mag-work. Nagpaalam naman ako sa boss ko. Baka malate ako kasi baka hindi kayanin na magising ako on time. Ay mabait naman and understanding yung boss ko. Pinagbigyan niya ako and sabi niya I can go back to work whenever I'm ready. He wishes me well, so very thankful ako na may mga tao na ganito na nakapaligid sa akin. Meron din akong support system. Of course, number 1, shout out kay Arnel, partner ko. love you so much, and I'm really thankful that I have you in my life, especially sa mga panahon ito. Kay Eileen, best friend ko, thank you so much sa moral support. Kahit sa financial help, binayaran niya yung PhilHealth ko. Kasi hindi ko inaasikaso. Sabi niya, kailangan kong bayaran at least 3 months lang pala to update my PhilHealth. Akala ko kasi 1 year. Kaya sabi ko 5,000 yun kung 1 year. Sayang naman ka ako. Nakaka-discount naman sa FEU basta PhilHealth member ka. So, yun. Binayaran ni Eileen. Thank you so much. I love you, B1. Guys, up to now, yung immediate family members ko, hindi pa nila alam yung nangyayari sa akin. Hindi ko alam pa paano sasabihin. Plan ko wag nang iparating kay mami kasi she's also in a bad condition right now. Stroke siya and paralyzed. Lately, medyo emotional siya dahil din sa kaso niya. Tapos nababalitaan pa niya na lagi ako nasa hospital, so medyo paranoid. Ayoko na sanang makadagdag. Pero may nag-advise sa akin na my family has to know what I'm going through right now. So, hindi ko alam what words to use, how to deliver it in a better way. Pero yung anak ko si Dustin, alam niya na. Malakas naman yung batang yan eh. Sabi ko, fighting si mami. Prayers lang ang kailangan ko. And oo nga pala, shoutout sa mga friends ni Arnel na very much willing to extend support. Thank you so much po, Papa Ray, Papa Alan, and the rest of the Zabarta boys. Thank you so much. Sobrang, you have no idea how much your words mean to me. How I needed to hear your words of inspiration and support. Grabe. Ang sarap ang sa pakiramdam. Kaya, with all these things, I know I can fight cancer. Marami nang gumagaling sa cancer, so bakit naman hindi ako? I'll do my best. That's it for today. Thank you.